Let me guess, tomorrow is the day you finally fix your life, right? You imagine waking up at 5 a.m., drinking a green smoothie and studying for hours. But tomorrow comes, you hit snooze, doomscroll for an hour, and suddenly your day is gone. You aren't lazy, your routine is just fundamentally broken. Think of your brain like a smartphone. Without charging, updates, or a proper operating system, it crashes. The best students don't rely on 3 a.m. motivation. They rely on a bulletproof routine that runs in the background. Here is the exact blueprint to fix your day. First, stop torturing yourself with the hustle culture 4 a.m. wake-up call. Waking up between 5:30 and 7 a.m. is the actual sweet spot. The world is completely silent. No drama, no group chats, just you. But here is the catch. Do not touch your phone. Checking your feed is like inviting 50 strangers into your bedroom to yell at you before you've even brushed your teeth. Open your window, let natural light hit your eyes. It naturally spikes your cortisol and wakes your brain up better than caffeine. Next, spend just 5 minutes moving. Stretch, do a few push-ups, or walk around your room. Your body is the Wi-Fi router, and your brain is the device. If the router isn't fully on, the connection sucks. Movement pumps oxygen directly to your brain. Your brain burns serious calories when you study. If you skip breakfast, you run on empty. Keep it simple: oats, a banana, and a massive glass of water. Fun fact, dehydration actually mimics laziness. You aren't tired, you're just thirsty. Now, the golden hour. Your brain is sharpest in the morning. Do not waste this on easy tasks. Tackle your hardest subject right now. Use the Pomodoro method. 50 minutes of ruthless, deep focus, followed by a 10-minute break where you look at a wall, not a screen. Fast forward to afternoon classes. Most students sit there like zombies passively copying the board. Don't do that. Take notes in your own words. Translating the information in real time forces your brain to actually process it. Want a literal cheat code? Right after class, spend exactly 3 minutes summarizing what you just learned. Write it down or say it out loud. This tiny habit locks the information in and cuts your exam review time in half. The afternoon crash is real and your lunch is to blame. Heavy, greasy carbs send all your blood to your stomach, making you sleepy. Eat a light, high-protein lunch and take a 50-minute power nap or a quick walk to hit the reset button on your brain. In the late afternoon, your brain is tired. Don't fight it. Shift away from heavy theory and switch to low-friction, hands-on tasks. Do practice papers, review flashcards, or format your essays. Do the busy work when your energy is low. You survived the day. Now, step away from the desk. Spend 20 to 30 minutes moving your body or doing something creative. Play a sport, play an instrument, or go for a run. This is your mental reset button to prevent long-term academic burnout. After dinner, do some light revision. Review those notes you took. Then the most important step, plan tomorrow. Write down 3 specific, actionable tasks. This dumps the anxiety out of your brain onto the paper, giving you permission to relax. Finally, the digital sunset. No screens 30 minutes before bed. Blue light destroys your melatonin. Read a book or listen to music instead. And get 8 hours of sleep. Pulling an all-nighter is self-sabotage. Sleep is literally the save button for your memories. Hit save, rest up, and become the academic weapon you were meant to be.